Here's a surprising fact. Most of the dirt in your car isn't from outside, it's from you. Yep, crumbs, dust, pet hair, and random debris slowly take over your interior. And before you know it, your car feels anything but fresh. The good news? You don't need a bulky shop vac or expensive detailing to fix it. A solid portable car vacuum can handle 90% of the mess in minutes. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best portable car vacuum cleaners, comparing power, usability, and value so you know exactly which one fits your lifestyle and which one is truly worth your money. All the links are in the description. Let's jump in. Number 5. Black Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean. The Black Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean earns its spot as a reliable classic that focuses on speed and simplicity rather than raw power. Designed for quick cleanups, its 16V lithium-ion battery delivers consistent suction for crumbs, dry dirt, and everyday messes that build up on seats and floor mats. The cyclonic action helps maintain airflow as the dust bin fills, while the rotating slim nozzle and flip-out crevice tool make it easy to target tight gaps between seats and center consoles. Compared to the corded This Works, the Dustbuster's biggest advantage is true cordless freedom. You can grab it, clean, and put it away in minutes without dealing with cables. However, its 11 to 15-minute runtime means you'll need to work efficiently, especially in larger vehicles. The generous 20.6-ounce dustbin partially makes up for this by reducing how often you need to empty it. While it can't dig pet hair out of carpet like the Monazel or Sfoco, it excels at hassle-free daily maintenance. For drivers who value convenience over deep detailing, it's still a dependable choice. Number 4. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. The This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner takes a completely different approach by prioritizing unlimited runtime and reach over cordless convenience. Plugging directly into your car's 12-volt outlet, it eliminates battery anxiety entirely, making it perfect for longer, more thorough cleaning sessions. Its 106-watt motor provides steady, consistent suction that works well for dust, crumbs, sand, and light debris. Even if it doesn't match the raw power of cordless rivals like Monazel or Sfoco. The standout feature here is usability. The 16-foot power cord and flexible hose make it easy to reach under seats, around pedals, and into trunk corners without constantly repositioning the vacuum. Compared to the Black Decker, it may feel bulkier and less grab and go, but it's far more practical for full interior cleanups. While it struggles with deeply embedded pet hair, its reliability and always-ready nature make it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants a dedicated car vacuum that lives in the trunk and works every time. Number 3. Bleston Cordless Car Vacuum. The Bleston Cordless Car Vacuum strikes one of the best balances between power, runtime, and price on this list, which is why it lands comfortably in the middle. Offering dual suction modes that reach up to 9,000 POW. It's noticeably stronger than This Works and more capable than the Black Decker when dealing with pet hair, dirt trapped in carpets, and stubborn crumbs. The washable HEPA filter helps trap fine dust and allergens, making it a smart pick for pet owners, while the built-in LED light is genuinely useful for spotting debris under seats or in dark footwells. Its biggest advantage over the Dustbuster is endurance. Up to 30 minutes of runtime means you can clean an entire SUV or minivan without rushing. While it doesn't deliver the brute force suction of Monazel or Sfoco, it compensates with a comfortable grip, decent dustbin size, and smooth handling during longer sessions. If you want cordless convenience without sacrificing runtime or practicality, Bleston offers excellent all-around value. Number 2. Monazel Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. The Monazel Car Vacuum is a clear step into high-performance territory, delivering serious power that casual users will immediately notice. Its 130W brushless motor generates up to 18,000 PA of suction, allowing it to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, and heavier debris that weaker vacuums simply leave behind. Compared directly to the Bleston, Monazel nearly doubles the suction output, making it far more effective on carpeted surfaces and high-traffic areas. One of its most unique advantages is the 2-in-1 vacuum and air duster design, which lets you blow dust out of vents, dashboards, and even electronics, something none of the lower-ranked options can do. USB-C fast charging adds modern convenience. Though the smaller dustbin means more frequent emptying during deep cleans, still, when you factor in its power, versatility, and premium build quality, Monazel offers outstanding performance for users who want more than just light cleanup. Number 1. Svoco Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Winner. The Svoco Handheld Vacuum Cleaner takes the crown by delivering the most complete combination of power, portability, and smart features on this list. Its brushless motor spins at a staggering 85,000 RPM, producing up to 21,000 PA of suction, more than even the Monazel, while weighing just 0.8 pounds. That ultralight design makes it incredibly easy to maneuver in tight spaces without wrist fatigue. The dual filtration system keeps suction strong by preventing clogs, and the integrated LED light exposes dirt you didn't even know was there. Eco and Turbo modes give you flexibility, letting you choose between longer runtime or maximum cleaning force depending on the mess. Head-to-head, it's stronger than Monazel, lighter than Bleston, and far more versatile than Black Decker or This Works, thanks to its blowing and inflating functions. If you want the best overall portable car vacuum that feels powerful, modern, and effortless to use, Svoco is the clear and deserved winner. Outro. So there you have it, the 5 best portable car vacuum cleaners, ranked and compared to make your decision easy. Whether you want non-stop corded cleaning, long battery life, or insane suction in a tiny package, there's an option here for you. But if you want the best overall performance, versatility, and value, Svoco takes the crown. All the links are in the description. If this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and subscribe for more honest, no-fluff reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.